Okay, so today is 16th of October 2023, which is Monday. So I brought my car to the mechanic I work with on my Peugeot car. But two things, the front brakes, two of them are binding. Though this one binds more than the other. So I observed that based on the acceleration of the car to tell the car wasn't pulling as it used to. So I had to this morning jack the four of them and tested, and the two at the rear were very free. But these two here not as free, the two front. So, so I brought it to the mechanic. Usually gives me private time to do work on mechanical for me. Based on we both of us are suspecting either the two calipers in the front, maybe they need to be serviced, or probably maybe the press blue hole. I don't think it's the press blue hole, but we have to be diagnosed. So I'd rather have him do that, and it's not like I can't do it, but then I'll let him just handle it. Sometimes the stress is not really worth it. It's somebody I trust is very good at it. You guys know him already. Remember when he changed the rear differentials. So then the next thing, the boot is kind of filled up. So remember I got a shock absorber for the rear not long ago. Was it 2 months ago or thereabout? So so this is it. So if first you first deal with the brake. So yeah, well done. So when you're done, if you still have chance today, then you change the shock absorbers. I see the where you need to go there. I will see. That depends. When you have chance. These are this is his vehicle. I mean the self mechanic. That's his vehicle. This is a SL1 engine. SL1A. Okay, it's locked. That's a 5-speed manual gearbox with 2.0 liter petrol engine. So all I think I probably will drive it. We'll just do a short ride and see. This one is 1.8 liter engine. That's a SM Shop. This is a 504 pickup. Well done, no? Well done.
Yeah, well done.
Okay. That time when you change the back handle, that time.
Okay.
I do video time, so.
Okay, now them.
Now them.
You see the on it. Okay.
Alright, so I'm going to be going out now. I forgot to bring the hydraulic because I used total hydraulic. So I need to go and get it. It's most likely they will need hydraulic. So I don't use any other. So I'm in total.com hydraulic. So I need to go and get it for you. And we'll see. So I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so the rings have been removed. Caliper removed. Well, according to the mechanic, I actually left to go and bring the hydraulic blade fluid. He said the calipers are okay. I don't know. The brake pads are okay. probably because we are not returning fully, maybe on the caliper. Instead, they tested the caliper, they were all going in and coming out well. So, anyway, notwithstanding, he's going to service the calipers. So I've gotten the brake fluid. I bought two. I've used one, many like half. This one I've not used it. So in case this one is not enough, we use the second one. So the brake pads are still intact. They're okay. This part I actually put them in either 2011 or 2012. Funny enough, they're still good. Still good. I'm not done there. I know I've changed the brake. Okay, probably it was in 2012 that I changed the pads also. Because I know the first time I changed the pads, it damaged the brake disc. I think it was this one that it damaged. In fact, it damaged like the boat, but it condemned the one here completely. So this side, it affected it a little, but not that much. So what I did was I bought the two discs. I can see the sign here. This one it could be affected. So I bought two used discs, and so I've changed the one that was badly damaged. So the other one is still okay. So I kept the second one I bought as spare in case eventually I have to change. This disc is not easily available for 505. These are brake disc for 505 V6 with ABS or 505 turbo with ABS. So you can't easily get this in the market. Even the cross member, the wishbone. These ones you can't get them in the ordinary 505 you find in Nigeria or with carburetor engines. This is specifically meant for 505 V6 or turbo. Okay, so yeah. It's not that as bad as I thought. At least the Facebook posts are okay. And okay, so see how it goes. No, they do. They do. The old rubber go see what. I was even, said the caliper they different from the normal.
No, 505.
Okay.
505. 5 different. 504.
Okay.
But the rubber is
Brand tiny screwdriver. Okay, don't come on, leave on. The packing is right, long packing, huh? I don't know my sit man. I'm about one bar. Come on, look.
You can see the rust on the caliper. Yeah, so that will affect it. It won't allow it to go back home. Of course, I can tell because this thing has torn. This one I did. Once it rusts, it means you go back, get a point to stop. And they will look at this, believe the issue is the caliper. So that's why you're servicing it.
Might be there.
Oh, this one has been washed.
These two. When they rust.
Because this in that chair now. Once in that chair, I saw it again. Come on, why they use gear.
Yeah.
I saw it in the same.
And sometimes if they allow brake pad chop. Now they make a shoot out. You don't shoot out, stay till you go begin rust.
Some food, little some pepper inside. So this is the rubber inside. This is the new one. This is the old one.
Oh, Baba, my destination share service buying. That way. I pack the whole about my destination share service. I'm Baba Joe again. Baba Joe again. What was that way back up one shop up here?
This part now, that's 2012 I put them.
But I'm not sure because of a Bruno and a low army.
And then we are coming, what you do? No combustion now.
I want them there, low and Bruno shop.
So we are now on the left front caliper. You can see how dirty it is. So obviously the brake fluid has expired. You can see it's almost as it has absorbed water inside and rusted. So we are draining everything, flushing everything out. And, so this has been concluded. You can see. Earlier this morning when I did this, we just make 2 rotation and stop. And now I can see it's still fluid. We have also built it, but we have to rebuild it since it's one chamber that is supplying fluid on both front lengths. So we'll service the calipers. And I wish I can remove this old fluid inside so that I use a fresh fluid completely. Okay, so you guys are different. Want to say hello? What's your name? Faith. What's your name?
My name is Yaya. Her name is Beauty.
Nalai.
Your name
Nalai.
is Beauty.
Yeah, this girl, her name is Beauty.
Nalai in the
And
life.
you, what's your name? Huh? David. And you? And you? Godwin. Okay.
Then me, Abdurazak.
Alright. So
If I never call your name when they come.
we are talking to the world right now. So yeah, her name is Faith.
Beauty. Now my name is Beauty.
Okay. Alright.
Your name na Yaya or this one your name na Yaya.
So whatever your name is. Okay, so let me see if I can get
Your name na
I have this syringe I normally use to draw stuff out. So I'll check if I still have it. If I have it, I'll draw all this old fluid from here out. Okay, so the brake work has been completed. So but I won't be able to do the rear shock absorber replacement. I can see the water. So it's really changing. So it's almost 5 p.m. now. So I'm leaving for the shock absorber, I'm leaving for another time. This is using the most important one. Anyway. So I'm going to service it this for now. So of course I'll go and I'm not tested the brake fluid, how it is. But whatever. Until I enter the road, I'll see how good it is. And then of course, obviously the acceleration will now be much better. Because when those two were buying this, it was dragging the car. I know how quick the car can be under a light acceleration. But because of that binding, it's okay that for the car to gain momentum, I have to press the throttle pedal much lower So usually a symptom. Once it happens, I know where the fault is. I know that by the time it happened to, no, not this way. I think it's the other one, the rear left. So I did that one myself. No, later, I think I brought it to him. No, what happened? Okay, it was the brake pad. So now, no, tomorrow, yes, anytime I have chance, I'll come and conclude the work. That will change the rear shock and the authority. Okay, so that's the end of the repair. Wow. So say bye-bye to people watching on the TV. People are watching you, alright. Okay, so taking the car for a drive, and yeah, the brake is now perfectly working well. So I think what I will do, probably I'll do it myself. I might say ask him to do. That is the, remember, is the front brake that will introduce fresh brake fluid. So the front caliper, the front pipeline, brake pipeline. So for the rear calipers, I would like the fresh fluid to also enter it. So what I'm thinking is, maybe I will do it myself. Maybe if I bring it the car tomorrow I would likely bring the car so that he will change the rear shock absorbers. And we'll see. So, but other than that, now the acceleration, the car is now much quicker than the last time I drove the car. Or like, let's just say like this morning, it's much quicker. All those brake binding gone, so the wheels are now free to accelerate properly. So that's the only thing I know for the brake I will do. I'll just pour fresh beat the rear brakes so that I can flush on the mode label, flush out the old fluid and add more new fluid, then bleed, so that I know, okay, for the next 2 years I'm covered for this car in terms of the hydraulic. So I think I'll call it a day. Let's see, hopefully tomorrow I'll bring it back for the rear shock absorbers. So I'll be on my way home now. Alright. I don't think there's any other thing to add. Okay.